In this video, we'll look at how teams can use Hyvä CMS to manage product and category content, including descriptions and other supported attributes, with the same visual editing experience used across the CMS. Let's start with a category example. Here we're inside the category, and I'm going to enable Hyvä CMS. You may see a setup message before continuing. Once we agree and continue, Hyvä CMS is enabled for this category. This is useful when a category page needs more than just a short text description. For example, an outdoor category might need seasonal content, styling inspiration, campaign messaging, or links to a summer lookbook. Instead of editing a plain field and checking the storefront afterwards, we can build the content visually and preview it in context. In this example, I'm adding a seasonal content section for summer outdoor living. I'll add a heading, some supporting text, imagery, styling tips, and a call to action. The content helps introduce the outdoor category with a stronger seasonal story. Rather than just showing a product grid, the category page can guide the customer, explain the collection, and support the campaign around that part of the store. This is especially useful for seasonal edits, campaign pages, buying guides, or category landing pages where content and products need to work together. Now let's look at a product example. Here we're inside a product in the Magento admin. I'm going to enable Hyvä CMS for this product too. Hyvä CMS can be used for the default product description field and for other supported custom attributes too. That means teams can manage their richer product content with the same Hyvä CMS editor that they're already using for pages, blocks, and categories. For this product, I'm going to add more detailed content to support the buying decision. This could also be used for material details, care information, delivery notes, comparison content, product highlights, or visual sections showing how the product fits into a room. And again, the nice part is that we can preview the product page in real time. So instead of editing content in isolation, we can see how the product information, layout, imagery, and supporting content will work together on the page. As always, using Hyvä CMS is extremely flexible and can be enabled or disabled per product or category. That means that teams do not have to move everything at once. They can roll it out gradually, test the workflow, and migrate content at a pace that suits the project. Because this uses Hyvä CMS, the familiar content workflows are also available too. So you can save work as draft, you can preview changes before publishing, schedule content for later, and manage content per store view. For international stores, content can be translated per scope or fully overridden where a store view needs something more specific. The end result is a more flexible way to manage Catalogue content. I hope you enjoyed this very quick look at editing product and category content with Hyvä CMS. If you have any questions, do come and ask us in the Hyvä community Slack. And if you want to explore more features, you can watch the other videos in this series for a closer look at what's included in Hyvä Commerce and Hyvä Enterprise.